Hi, give me a sec. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, as you saw by the title and the thumbnail, it's going to be me packing for my trip. If you saw my summer trip try on haul, you knew that I was going to be going on a super exciting trip to California. We're going to be going to a lot of different places and I'm super excited. And yes, if you haven't noticed, my hair is brown. Also, that video went up before this video, so go watch that too, a little self promo. Yes, but for today's video, I just wanted to hop on here, do a super quick little intro. We're going to be packing, we're going to be traveling. The way that I'm going to be uploading these next couple of vlogs, because I wanted to sit down and clear the air before I start uploading them in a certain way. You saw that we were going to be going like San Francisco, Vegas, Disney, so I wanted to each day have a significant video for that day. So like when we go to San Francisco, have a whole vlog dedicated just to San Francisco. When we go to Disney, I want a whole vlog just dedicated to Disney, and that's how I'm going to be uploading them. In case you were wondering, I wanted to clear the air because sometimes whenever I have video ideas, it's all in here, but I always want to make sure that my subscribers know what's going to be going on. Hope you guys enjoyed the last two videos, where I dye my hair. It is brown. You can kind of tell in the camera, I don't know, it is like it's a chocolate brown because I wanted something to go with my skin color, and I don't know if I like it, I don't know if I hate it, but I'm just gonna leave it. I wanted to do something different. As you saw by the video, I wanted to do something different just so I can look different. So yes, without further ado, you already know the drill. Even if I'm gonna be vlogging, I'm still gonna do it. Let's do 4 things before we jump onto this vlog. 1, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 2, don't forget to follow me on my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. 3, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be a part of the notification squad. And 4, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are super excited to see all of my next upcoming vlogs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to show you guys a quick little things that I bought and the little things to catch you up, because from my haul and to now, a little bit of things have changed. So let me get the items really quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, whoa, I almost fell. I'm back. Okay, so if you saw my summer try on haul, you saw that I bought these jeans at American Eagle, and I was like, I don't know if I want to change these or if I want to buy shorts or stuff like that. So I went and returned them and I exchanged it for something else. So I actually just picked up these pair of shorts. They're just like this. They're just like these nice clean ones that look super nice. Super cute. And then if you saw by my haul, I did get the Fila fanny pack, but for me, I feel like I didn't like it. Like it would just clash with many outfits, so I ended up going to return those. And I also returned those Calvin shorts, so I had like $30 like of credit. So I ended up picking up this fanny pack that was way larger, way bigger, because I am going to be getting a tripod for my camera, and I think it just looks better on me than the Fila one, and has 2 different pockets, and it was just $10 frickin'. I exchanged the shorts and the Fila fanny pack for that one, and then I just got the rest of my money back. Next, I went to Target to get like the little travel sizes, but they actually had this on clearance. It was only $4.16 as you see right there. So it's just like this little container. It has this for your toothbrush. It has this because I use water hairspray for my hair, so I was like, oh my god, this is so freaking perfect. And then it has 2 of these for your shampoo and conditioner, so I'm going to be filling those up. And then it has other goodies. So it has this one. I don't know what I would put in there. Oh my god, it's glass. Then this one, and then it has this one for your toothbrush. So it came with like 2 different ones. It came with this big one and then with this one. So I think I'm gonna end up using this one because this is just for the top, but I would prefer to use that one. And then this little baggie, I think I'm just gonna throw it away because I have my own. And then I also picked up a mini loofah. Look how cute this is. Like, it's literally the size of my palm. A mini loofah. And then I picked up this is a thingy I use on my hair that's currently on my hair. It's the Tresemme Chew Spray Extra Hot Non-Aerosol Hairspray. And then I picked up a screen protector for my phone because my phone's a little jacked up. I just wanted to update you guys on that. Alright, so I'm gonna shut up now because this is already going to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna bring my luggage in and start packing. Yes, I'm wearing pajamas. And yes, this is my beautiful luggage that was in my haul, and I super love it. Still has the tags. Yes. Let's just go ahead and set this over here. Alrighty, wasn't that so freaking cool? Okay, so I brought my luggage out. Let me get some scissors because I need to take the tags off. So I'm gonna listen to some Ari. start packing. Let's just cue a freaking time lapse, okay? Quick little update. Right here is all my fanny packs. I'm taking 3. All of these are all my hats. So of course I need to take my Disney hat. All of these are my t-shirts. So I just picked out the ones that I want to take. I'm probably going to end up taking all of them. Right here is on my bottom. So I have my jeans, and we have some shorts, my jean shorts, and then I have two pants and 1 short washing at the moment. We have my blue jean jacket, and then another short, and then we have some shoes. Oh, and I'm also gonna take my Birks right here. I'm wearing them. Gonna wear those tomorrow, and then we're gonna go ahead and pack this. We have a little setup right here.
I was going to go to the machine because I wanted to take a shower and charge the camera because it's camera dead. And back to the slide sign. Time lapses. I just moved up. Okay, back to the vlog.
Alrighty, so I was able to fit all of that in here. Oh my god, it's like so freaking stuffed. I wasn't able to fit these 2 in there. I'm actually gonna go exchange this one tomorrow in the morning to match this one, because this one smells so freaking good. So I'm just gonna go exchange that one so I can have the perfect duo on the go. Probably just throw it on my carry-on in the bag. And I'm gonna put this aside because we have to go back to my room because I still haven't packed. I thought we had a quick little intermission because I had to go take a shower because my body needed it. My hair, I dyed my hair yesterday, so I didn't take a shower yesterday because I wanted the dye. The lady said to let the dye sit, so I was like, alrighty. I'm just waiting on my pants and other stuff to dry. I think it's already dry because I took a shower, charged my battery and stuff like that whenever I went to go take a shower. But yes, we're gonna do another quick time lapse, and hopefully I can get all this in there. So wish me luck. I'm gonna shut up. Cue time lapse now. Alrighty, I have found a stopping point. Let me update you really quick before I end the night, go to sleep, watch some Walking Dead, rethink my life. Whew, we successfully packed my bag, my luggage, not a bag. I didn't end up taking these shorts because I was like, or black pants in the sun, no thanks, because I already had a lot of denim, so I was like, we're just gonna go for a denim look. So now the next thing is to pack is my little carry-on. Just putting my chargers together. I need to pack my jewelry, my watch bands, my watches, my jewelry. I need to put it in here. And then I have my outfit that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I'm gonna wear these Calvin Klein pants with my ArmandoDIY shirt with my Birks that I have on right now. So this concludes me wrapping up my night. My battery is flashing, so it's perfect timing. I really like my hair. Like, oh my god, it looks so good. So I'm gonna end my night here. I'm gonna finish packing and I will update you guys in the morning. Hope you guys enjoyed all those time lapses. I'm super tired now, but yes, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It is day 2 of this vlog. It's been a freaking crazy morning. I'm running a little late to my dad's house. I'm driving to my dad's house at the moment. Got everything packed up. We got everything up in the car. I got my luggage, my pillow, my blanket, my backpack, my water, my sunglasses, my actual glasses, my wallet, my watch, my camera. I just bought an SD card. Also had to do that, so now you're in a new SD card. But yes, we are currently on the way to my dad's house. Anything else I need to update you guys on? I think that's it. Get excited because I'm excited. I'm excited, like I'm scared. Some stuff happened with work, but it's whatever. It's just the enemy trying to attack, but we're about to turn, so let me hold you really quickly. Like I said, like I mentioned yesterday, I just want to re-mention it really quickly. the way I'm going to be uploading these vlogs are going to be in order. So like I said, San Francisco is going to have its own vlog, Vegas is going to have its own vlog, Disney's going to have its own vlog. This right here, me packing and traveling, is going to be its own vlog, so stay tuned for the rest. But yes, I'm currently on my way to my dad's house because we were supposed to leave at 1 and it's currently 1:18. Things happen, it's fine. Is he mad? Yes. Are we fine? No, but it's fine. We're currently on the way. I'm gonna get like a quick time lapse of me driving, and yes, just wanted to hop on here, do a quick little update time, just to let you know that it's the next day. It's currently Friday, July 19th. It is 1:19 p.m. on the way to my dad's house. Gonna sister speederoo. If you can hear my car, it's sister speeding because yes. Anywho, that is it. I'm actually gonna go. Today's when my announcement is with my my premiere. It's gonna go up at 4. I'm gonna post my picture that I dyed my hair, and then yes, those two things are gonna be happening today. But yes, if you can't tell, I dyed my hair like a chocolate brown. I didn't dye my facial hair because I didn't have time, but it's fine. Like I said, we're all fine. Took some cute pictures. I literally can't decide. Let me show you all the ones that I took. So I took this one, then I took this one, this one, this one. They're all edited, but I need to edit them more because you can't really see them like if I show you, you can tell that my hair is brown, but you can't really tell. And yeah, that's it. So yes, I need to edit those pictures, choose 2, and then upload those, post those everywhere to let the world know that my hair is brown, a chocolate brown. I keep rambling on, but I'm gonna shut up now and hit you guys with a quick little time lapse.
Starting route to California.
Hey guys, what's up? A quick little update time for you guys because I have not updated the vlog ever since I got to my dad's house. But we are here. We are, I believe, 10 hours in our trip. I didn't vlog that really much because I don't really care for like vlogging the way. I just care for like vlogging the actual place and stuff like that. So we're 10 hours in our trip. We stopped last night to rest at a resting place at El Paso, and we're here currently in Arizona. I believe we have 8 more hours to go. As you can see by that background, you see that we are in Arizona. So it's kind of the desert. We've been driving through like the desert. There's like nothing. There's like trees. It's like mountains and stuff like that. So we're currently here in Arizona, but I wanted to update the vlog for you guys. And probably the next time I will update you guys is when I actually get there. So yes, I just wanted to hop on here and just update the vlog. We just got to California. As you see by the sign right there, we just took some pictures. We're literally pulled over on the side of the road because we're just that extra. As you can see right here, everybody's like honking at us, but just wanted to update the vlog. We stopped in the middle of the road. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really windy, but we are in a windy environment. As you can see, let me show you, and let me just shut up because I don't think you can hear me. So let me just show you and let me shut up. Hey guys, what's up? It is a little later now. We are currently here. I believe it's Long Beach, Cabrillo Beach. We're here. We met up with some family yesterday and we stayed over at their house, and then we're here. We met up with some more family because in my dad's side of the family we do have a lot of people that live here in Cali. So we met up with them. We met them because we haven't seen them in like a long time, but we are here in San Pedro, Cabrillo Beach. It's part of Long Beach of the Cali, but so far we're here in Cali. It's so beautiful. Today's officially day one that we're here in Cali, but we're walking to the ocean because we want to see the water. But yes, I just wanted to hop on here and update the vlog really quickly that it's officially day one. I think I'm going to pair up yesterday and today together, and then starting on Monday is whenever we're going to go ahead and visit the other places. It's whenever I'll start doing the vlogs like that. But yes, just wanted to hop on here and update the vlog really quickly. And yes, I'm just showing you the ocean. Hello, how are ya? Armando from the future. I'm laying down in my bed currently editing this video so I could get it up for you guys. But yes, what I was currently saying, because this whole clip was pointless because the wind ruined everything. I was just saying that we were walking to our truck because we were gonna go to like a little pier that they have there, that they have a bunch of restaurants to go eat. So yes, I'm just gonna cut all the freaking footage out because literally you can't even hear me because you just hear wind. But yes, we're going to go to a restaurant to go eat. Yes. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? Update time. We just ate at that restaurant that I showed you. I'm freaking sister stuffed. Sorry I did not vlog in there or vlog the food. It was so freaking loud I could barely hear myself think. Tomorrow is Monday and it officially commences our week in Cali. Yes. So I wanted to update the vlog, and yes, I will see you guys in the next one.